In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade in BandLab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, professional fade-in on any track in your project using the BandLab Web Studio. First, open your browser and head to bandlab.com. On the home page, click Login. When the sign-in options appear, choose the Google option. Select your Google account and click Continue to authorize access. You may be asked to confirm your credentials in a separate window. Just follow the prompts and you'll land back in BandLab once you're done. After you're signed in, go to your library. This is where all of your projects live. Find the project you want to work on and open it. On the project page, click Studio to launch the BandLab Studio workspace. Give it a moment to load, you'll see your tracks laid out on the timeline. Now click the track that you want to add a fade to. This selects the region you'll be editing and makes its controls active. If you have multiple clips on that track, click the specific clip where you want the fade in to start. It helps to zoom in slightly so you can see the waveform clearly while you work. Next, open the editor. This reveals detailed controls for the selected region. At the very top edges of the region, you'll see small handles. These are the fade controls. The handle at the upper left controls the fade in. Click and drag that left handle to the right to set how long the fade in should be. The farther you drag, the longer and smoother the fade in will sound. Press play to audition your changes. A quick fade of a few hundred milliseconds is great for tightening a pop vocal or trimming a breath, while a longer fade, 1 to 2 seconds, can create a more atmospheric entrance on pads, guitars, or ambient effects. If you hear a bump at the start, try lengthening the fade slightly or aligning it to the nearest bar or beat for a cleaner feel. If you need finer control, zoom in on the timeline before dragging the handle. Spacebar toggles play and stop, which makes testing adjustments fast. Remember, the right side handle is for fade out, but for this tutorial, we're focused on the fade in at the start of the region. Make sure the correct clip is selected each time you adjust, especially in sessions with many layers. BandLab saves your changes automatically, so once it sounds right, you're good. That's it, your fade in is set. Thanks for watching and enjoy crafting smoother, more musical intros in BandLab.